Get acquainted with the 2019 Ford Escape. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. De-stress and decompress in this sleek and sporty Escape. Its quiet cabin, flexible seating and cargo storage, safety features, connectivity, and all-weather capabilities infuse every drive with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm. Take the stress antidote. Get into this comfortable, capable Escape. Relax and enjoy the journey. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.